Hey everybody, I'm Bryce. I work for sales here at CRKT, and I have a new Provoke to show you. This is the Provoke Trainer. The Provoke was released a couple years ago from Joe Caswell. Joe really saw that there were shortcomings with traditional folding karambits. The way it folds over your hand, the way you have to redress when you pull it from the pocket is not ideal. He created these two kinematic arms that shoot the blade out the back of the knife very simply without the need for redressing or re-holding onto the knife itself. This model, the Trainer, has got a new trick up its sleeve. It has a dulled blade. So if you do practice Filipino martial arts, or you want to practice with your karambit, this would be a great way to do so, utilizing this kind of dulled model up here. Beyond that, it's exactly the same as a regular Grivri style Provoke. The whole body is made of Grivri, which is extremely strong thermoplastic. Has the same kinematic arms and opening mechanism as a traditional karambit, and the real flush pocket clip here in the back. So you can do full draws, you can practice the full process of drawing and utilizing this tool. I'm a really big fan of this because I can actually now start to try to practice some of the flips and stuff that I've seen people do with real karambits. I'm not confident in my skills to be able to do that, but it's just going to be a really great tool, really something useful for all of those who are out there actually practicing and looking to utilize their Provoke. This is the Provoke Trainer by Joe Caswell.